Are you ready to go outside? Okay, let's see what's going on. Oops. Still snow here. I think it's gonna hang around for a little while yet. Even though it's 60+ degrees today, we're having a nice little heat wave. Isn't this great, Lacey? And of course, it's gonna get cold again. This is great. Hopefully we'll be able to turn the pond back on again soon. The fish are moving around a little bit, but they really won't come out of full hibernation for a while yet. And they won't eat at least until April. It's really hard to see them now. Now the goldfish always come out of hibernation before the koi, so they move around first. Lacey, look, we can see our steps over here again. There was so much snow, right? Lots of smells for you, Lacey. Lots of things for you to sniff. Come on, Lacey, let's go walk around a little bit. Lacey, can you believe there's still snow? Lacey's just moseying along. Let's see if we can find any snow here. One tiny little bit there. Look at all the footprints. I don't know what that's, they look kind of big for a cat. Oh, there's some little ones in between. I have no idea. Who knows what little animals are around here. So you can see all the snow that's still at our neighbors. It's so nice that we live in a cul-de-sac. We don't have to worry about traffic. And there's a little bit across the street. We do have fox around here too, but I don't know what fox prints look like. I'll have to Google it. Where's Lacey? Come on, Boo. Come on. Come on, Lacey. Isn't this great to be outside? Well, hopefully we'll be able to show you the pond running soon. Because I notice it's getting a little cloudy looking, a little dirty. Say, okay, Lacey. Nice to be able to spend time outside. All right, Lace, ready to go get some treats? Do you want some treaties? Come on, let's go. We're gonna go get treats. Go, come on. Yeah, go this way. You can go this way. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till we get a new deck. I really, really hope we can do that this year. Last year really screwed us up with the pandemic. That's snow, Lacey. What do you think of the snow? Can't believe we still have snow. Right, say have a good weekend, everybody. Lacey, I'm trying to get you to stay. Okay, everybody. See you later. Thanks for watching.